Hi guys, let's take a look at this problem. Depend on how you do it. If you just simply graph that in decimals and you can quickly identify the increasing or decreasing interval of increasing or decreasing. But I do hope that you are able to try to apply what you learn in class, use the knowledge of transformation to figure this out by hand. So here's we need to quickly review some of those things we discussed in class. So basically, uh, plus k. So now we have four numbers, uh, a, b, h, k. This a means vertical stretch. This b means horizontal stretch or compress. This h is horizontal shift, and k is the vertical shift. So in this case, I hope that you recognize the square root of x is its parent function, and we do know the square root of x looks like this graph, right? This graph. Its domain is from 0 to infinity for square root of x. It's always increasing from 0 to infinity. So now, how do we get achieve this function by using identifying those numbers a, b, h, k? So let's take a look at that. So first of all, if I let my h be, so I'm gonna, maybe I'll do that backwards. So let's begin to look at a equals square root of negative x plus 4. So I'm gonna rewrite this into negative of x minus 4, right? When you factor the negative sign out, this becomes negative. Okay, so I hope that now let's try to make match. So this negative sign is actually my b, right? B is my negative sign, okay? Negative 1. And my h, I hope that you recognize h should be grouped with h. X should be grouped with h. So therefore, this is my h, which is 4, not negative 4, but 4. So now, if you can recall, what does this negative 1 do? The b equals negative 1. It will flip this graph uh, across the y-axis. So this will be my, this red one becomes my uh, square root of negative x, okay? And then what does this 4 do? It will shift to the right 4 units. So therefore, eventually, so you're going to shift this to the right 4 units. So you're going to shift that to the right 4 units. So it moves from 0, its tip moves from 0 to 4. So now therefore this is your graph. Okay. From here, I do see that it's always decreasing and then decreasing from negative infinity all the way up to 4, right? So that's how I would do this problem by hand. So which is a good exercise for you to identify A, B, H, K here. Of course, in our example, the A is actually just 1. There's no scaling, vertical scaling, and there's no vertical shift.